Okay, hopefully a lower rated opponent, and I'm having my second mini banana of the morning. These tiny bananas. Okay. Hopefully I'll fare better. Has this guy been bashing everyone though? This Jezza. We look at history of Jezza after. Alright, so izit 2029. Hopefully a little more favourable story will emerge. Maybe the F4 Queen F3 system. Quite good fun. Okay, so bishop d3, and I think casting kingside here. So bishop e3 could be handy. Maybe put the queen over on h3 here. So knight d5 would open up this diagonal. Is it rook f4, bishop f4? Should I play rook f4? It's got some perks to it. If I just double up rooks, then maybe bishop d4. He's given me that d4 score actually. Suddenly he takes the weakness of that move. His bishop d4 is now available, but it's hitting that knight. It's not really doing much on d4 at the moment. If bishop f8, maybe rook f6. Knight d5 might still be on the cards though. So if bishop d4, knight d5 and he takes, then my bishop's pointing at g7. How could that be useful? So it's worth actually from that point of view. Exchange of queens time. Rook f5. If g6, rook f6. So I can still try and play for bishop d4. Bishop d4. Oh, okay. Exchange to sack. But this diagonal might be a bit dangerous for him. Bishop d4. There's no knight f2 just yet. Knight d4. Try and get the knight in. There's knight a5. There's bishop a8. There's knight d4. I think I'll go with actually if I move my queen somewhere, or if I just take, there's g6 coming up. What is g4? No, g4 is asking for double checkmate. That's not the best move on the board. So knight d2, maybe knight d2. There's knight d3, cd. I think it's just about holds, isn't it? Knight d3, knight d2, bishop d2. Knight d3, cd. Knight d2, bishop d2. The sort of pin on my queen is unpleasant. Is there a double check here? Queen check. Check. Discover check. King J doesn't do anything. If the bishop was on d4 it would have done something, but I'm tied down at the moment. This queen h7 is not working, is it? Check. Double check there. King g8, bishop h7. That's not working. Okay. So if G6 here, that could be troublesome. G6 here, Queen G3 maybe to pin the G pawn. Almost creates something, takes Rook F7, double check King G8, then there's nothing. Queen G3 here. Okay, so what am I threatening, if anything? Bishop move, well, give my king some air before a back row disaster. Okay, so bishop or h4. Actually, it seems fairly solid. Get rid of this horrible bishop over in B7. Bishop D5. That's good for F7. Some coordination. Right, so he's giving up that bishop now. I'll take it. Get my other bishop to D4, I think. That looks good on D4. And Queen F2 and Bishop E5 and Rook F7. Bit of coordination between all pieces for F7 at least. So Bishop E5 and Rook F7. But he's holding F7 for the moment. Not here. He just left F7. Just went to sleep, he says, yeah. So, yeah, the weakness of the last move is critical in 5-minute chess. If you play a move and there's a weakness to it, you like, it's a guide, just look at the last move. I think that idea, the weakness of the last move, just won that game actually. If you think about it, he just you know, he was solid on F7. I mean, in this position you can't imagine F7 to actually be weak. He's got a magnificent knight on E5 protecting it and the queen, but he moves the knight to sort of parry the bishop exchange, and then when he moves it back, okay, he loses that bishop, and I'm able to challenge that knight now and treble. So at the moment he's got 1, 2, 3, and the weakness of the last move, bang, bishop E5 is justified. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.